First here. Mabu! Oh, mahina talaga. Now, good day and mabuhay to you, my fellow hotdog enthusiasts. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. I am your host for this wonderful day. My name is Ate Ara, and this is your Beaver Talk. So I have a background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered animals. We have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we are also in coordination with the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Department of Tourism, and Bureau of Are you ready to meet your first animal ambassador? Ayan, now, I like your energy now. May we welcome Mr. Bill, or Philippine Great Hornbill. Ayan, that is Mr. Bill, or Philippine Great Hornbill. They have a scientific name of Buceros hydrocorax mindanensis. Mindan meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. They are commonly found near South Cotabato and other parts of the Mindanao. And as you notice po ang kanyang tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And this afternoon, magpapakita gilas si Mr. Bill using ang kanyang tuka. But before that, I have a job for you guys. Listen carefully. At the count of 3, I need you to shout fly, okay? Practice muna. 1, 2, 3! Wala talaga energy. Meron po tayong Kape Donald. One last practice. 1, 2, 3! Ayun! Kuya, ready na. Now ready your cameras dahil mabilis po ito. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and fly! And there you go. Now guys, when you see Philippine Great Hornbill doing that in the wild, they are actually in mating season po. Naliligaw ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niya. Mas maraming insekto na nakatsa ere ay sasagutin ni Ate Girl na kalaw. Therefore, mas ma-effort na kalaw ay sasagutin ni Ate Girl. And did you know that they are monogamous? Once na sinagot siya ni Ate Girl na kalaw, they will live together forever. Oh, si Mama ka sana ulit. One last time, magpapagitang dito ako ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. And like most other parrots, they have a zygodatal feet. What is a zygodatal feet nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Barak this afternoon using a Filipino footwear called kadang-kadang. Ayan. Kuya, pakita. Ayan, that is kadang-kadang, a Filipino footwear. And there you go. Now, susunod mo na Barak. Go! And there you go. That is your zygodatal feet in action. 2 toes facing forward and 2 toes facing backwards. That's why they can turn easily sa mga objects. And there you go. Thank you so much, Barak. Now, by the way guys, sino nga ba ang nagsasegregate dito ng kanilang basura? Segregation of waste. Biodegradable bin. And biodegradable bin yan. Check mo muna Barak kung gumagana ba basura mo. And there you go. And by the way guys, blue and gold macaw are the 4th largest macaws in the entire world po, okay? And check mo muna. Check. And there you go. Okay. Ngayon, mukhang ready na si Barak. Check. Ayan. Thank you so much. Now, at the count of 3, kuya, pakilabag ng basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Ayan, anong kinuha ni Barak? A piece of leaf. Dahon. Biodegradable. Another one. That is the piece of plastic. Saan nilalagay ang plastic? Sure ka, Barak? Now guys, we are still working with wild animals, okay? Now, let's give Barak a chance. Ayun, plastic. Saan nilalagay ang plastic? Sure ka talaga, Barak? Are you sure, Barak? Ayun, one last. Oh, go. Go. Plastic. Saan nilalagay? Barak, hindi talaga dyan. Hindi talaga dyan nilalagay ang plastic. Ayun, kuya. Oh, plastic. Saan nilalagay? Ayun, non-biodegradable. Another one. A piece of plastic again. Saan nilalagay? Non-biodegradable. Go. Ayun. Another one. Jump. Ayun. Now, he is showing that he is happy po and curious at the same time. And as you notice po, tumataas ang kanyang crest, meaning that he is happy this afternoon. And one last jump. And there he goes. Thank you so much, Apollo. By the way guys, Apollo is a multi-talented star. Sumasayaw po si Apollo. Sino gustong makita si Apollo na sumayaw? Ayun, marami-rami. How about si Kuya Sarah? Sorry, Kuya. Wala. Musical po dyan. Ayun. And that is Moon Off by Michael Jackson. Oh, hinahilay baka mahulog. Oh. po tayo hot riding scooter. That is a scooter. Can you please show us how to ride a scooter, Jumbo? And go. Ayun. Hinahinay, wala kang helmet ah. Oh, baka mahulog. And there it is. Thank you so much, Jumbo. One question po. What's your name and where you're from?
Mary Rose Arzaga, Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte.
Mary Rose from Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. Davao del Norte. Hello ma'am, what's your name and where you're from?
And Davao City.
Davao City, taga Davao na pala. Now, Kuya, both from Davao. Music. Hala. Sayang, sayang, sayang. Hala, taga Davao. Ma'am, what's your Davao kuya? Mudas rin ako budots. Budots mo. Ma'am, gusto na? Excuse. Dili pwede ma'am. Pari G. Pari G. Go ma'am. Oh. Go. Buragay. Anak mo. Ayan, thank you so much. I don't know applause for me, all of them. Now, at this moment, I need you to close your eyes po. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, ma'am. Relax na ma'am. Relax na. Ayan, good. Wow. Gunitin na ma'am. Gunitin ma'am. Ano? Ayan. Gunitin na ma'am. Ayan. Now, guys, this is Junella, this is Lala. They are Burmese python po. They have a scientific name of Python vivicatus. And did you know that once they reach their adult size, it can actually reach up to 24 feet and 90 kilograms. Na ma'am, mabigat mo ba si Junella? Bugat. Ma'am, bugat? Bugat? Bugat ka ba eh? Now guys, this is 10 kilograms po si Junella at si Lala. And they are 9 and 8 years old. Batang-bata pa po si Junella at si Lala. Meaning, nandyan pa po